What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be unboxing this Nissan 5-pack right here, and we might unbox this Fast and Furious 5-pack very soon in the future. Here's the reason why I'm not going to unbox it yet. It's because I already have a Toyota Supra from years ago. I got this one off of eBay, but I know the detail is different between these two Supras. On the old one, there's the taillights are filled in, and on the new one, the headlights are filled in. So it kind of reverses. The old one doesn't have headlights but has taillights. The new one has headlights but not taillights. So it's a little bit weird. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I'm probably gonna unbox it for you guys. I know you guys really want to see that. So we might do that soon, but for today's video, we're going to be unboxing this Nissan 5-pack. So let's get to the unboxing. Alright, we're going to use a knife to get the side open. Just makes it really easy. Alright, that should be good enough. Yep, that was good enough. Boom. There it is. Also, with the white floor, it doesn't absorb lighting like the black floor I used to have, so the lighting is much better already. And there it is. I have a feeling this is going to fall over. Yeah, that is not stable. Alright. We're going to put each one on the turntable as we go. But first off, we're going to start off with the Datsun truck. Very clean design with it. I don't have one of these yet. I've been wanting to get a Datsun truck. And I even almost traded for one, but I held off, and here it is. Very good colors. The bed is pretty long. It has a 72 on it. I guess that's just like the race number or whatever. But yeah, here it is. Great color. We'll throw it on the turntable for you guys. Alright, the next car is going to be... Let's check out the S13. Wow, they did a great job on this S13. This is a very drift S13. You can feel the drift in it. It has blue windshield, has what seems to be kind of like Japanese writing on the side. Yeah. It has a whole bunch of like little decals, like a drift car would, and then it has the red chrome, which out of the box already is slightly worn down, so you're never going to prevent the chrome from going away. It just always finds a way to leave with Hot Wheels. But the back is very well detailed. The front, you could probably throw on some stickers you find on eBay for S13 if you're really that worried about it, or you just paint them, whatever. I'm going to leave mine blank, but I'll throw it on the turntable, and we'll be back with the next car. Alright, the next car, I'm going to save the best two for last. Actually, like, I don't know what the best two would be. There's a lot of good ones here. I'm just going to save the Datsun and the R32 for last. This one is really great. They did a good job on the wheel selection, and they put like a white wall on the tires, which is really cool. But they did a great job with the wheel selection. It's here in purple. The car is looks very good in purple. This was a mainline this was one of the Super Treasure hunts last year, 2022. It's cool to see it return again, and we will throw it on the turntable and be back with the final two cars. Alright, now the final two, we have a very, very, very good designed Nissan, Datsun, whatever you want to call it. Which one is this? This is a Nissan Fairlady Z. So there's a Datsun 24OZ, I'm pretty sure it is. And it looks exactly the same as this. It's slightly different, but this is the Fairlady. They made the Fairlady in the Ultra Hot set also, which I am going to try to find for you guys soon. And I probably will have Ultra Hot case unboxing for you guys soon at Target. I know I have one that's going to be coming out really soon on the older cases with the S14, but I'll have the new ones with the Porsche and the Fairlady coming out soon. But this one is very, very good in orange. Number 80 on it, Nissan on the top. Did a great job on the wheels once again, good selection, and yeah, that's that. And now the final one that you guys have been waiting for, throw that on the turntable first, and then we're going to head on to the Skyline R32. Alright guys, this is the one that everyone's been wanting to see, the R32, and I'm actually very excited for this one myself. And I can already see it is a very, very well done car. HKS livery, everyone always loves HKS liveries. This one's just a simple stripe, nice and clean design. Looks like it has 10 spoke wheels on it, I'm pretty sure, in gray. The tail lights and the entire back section is filled in very nice. It even says Skyline in the back with the GTR, and then there's Nissan back there. So they did fill in the back. The front is still missing headlights, but that's fine. I think in the 5-pack they should probably be putting them on there, like the headlights, but it is what it is. Still a very, very great car. I do have the Skyline R32 with a wide body kit on it, also in red, which I'll get in a second, but I don't have just a basic one, so this is my first basic Skyline R32, and I'm very happy to have this. And we'll throw it on the turntable for you guys while I get the other Skyline R32. Alright, we are back, and here is the other R32 I was talking about. It is also in red, has a nice wing on it. I forgot the set this was from, but basically, if you guys know the Godzilla Skyline from this year, this is basically the Godzilla Skyline, the same wide body kit, but from past years. So basically, they just reused the same model, but I think with the Godzilla, they used a metal wing instead of a plastic wing. But yeah, I don't have a regular R32 yet, so I was excited to get this one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions, leave it in the comments. We're so close to 1,000 subscribers, so it'd really help me out a ton if you subscribe and return to my channel. We're always going to have some really cool stuff for you guys. And I will see you in the next one.